Good afternoon, good evening, actually, now. It's chilly here, especially in these winds and the cold rain that we're getting here at the seacoast. The winds have been very persistent, strong, sustained winds, but then also you get some of these gustier winds in here on top of that, really making for just a chilly, raw, damp, kind of miserable feel out here, really. Current wind gusts across some areas have been around 25 miles per hour, up to around 30 miles per hour in spots. And here, seeing a couple gusts up around 30 miles per hour or so. But those sustained winds around 20 to 25, really making it feel extra cold and just dreary out here. And we'll continue to see those winds pick up as the night goes on, in addition to that high tide cycle, which is expected to happen right around 8 o'clock this evening. The waves really crashing out behind me up on the beach. And if I go ahead and turn, you can see the wind really doesn't keep my hood on at all. Just to give you an idea as to how windy it actually is here on the coast. But I'm going to turn my back to the wind again and try to get dry. For now, live at the seacoast, Jacqueline Thomas, WMUR News 9.
Okay, Jack, you've been braving those conditions for the last few hours out on the seacoast. So it will be a busy night before this storm moves out. Use WMUR.com or our app to track the conditions hour by hour. You'll also find a detailed look at what to expect in each region of the state all through the holiday weekend.